Your bank is stealing from you, legally. And the worst part, you're letting it happen right now. I'll show you exactly where to move your money in 2 minutes. But first, let me show you how much you're actually losing. So, the average savings account at a big bank pays you 0.4% per year. But inflation, that's running at about 3% right now. That means your money is losing value every single day. Think of it like this. You put $100 in the bank today. Next year, the bank gives you $0.40. But inflation ate 3.0 so each key of your money's power. You're down 2,000 inside from doing nothing wrong. Look, if you have $10,000 sitting in a regular savings account, in 10 years that $10K is worth only $7,700 in real purchasing power. You didn't gamble, you didn't do anything risky, you just left it there. Well, here's the thing nobody tells you. There's something called an HYSA, High Yield Savings Account, same as your bank account. FDIC insured, totally safe, except it pays you 4.5% to 5% interest. That's 10 times more than what your bank pays you for the exact same risk. Zero, none, nada, low, same 10,000, but in an HYSA at 5%. In 10 years, you've got 16 to, that's $8,500 more. Just for moving your money. You don't work harder, you don't take more risk, you just move it. Popular HYSAs right now. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ali Bank, SoFi, all online, all legit, all paying you way more. Takes about 10 minutes to open one. Even I can do that, and I barely move. Oh, and one more thing. HYSA is not a stock, not crypto, not risky. Think of it as your bank account. But your bank actually decided to treat you fairly. Your bank is lazy with your money. Be lazier. And that's and smarter. That's it. Go be lazy about it. Subscribe. I'll show you more. I'm not going anywhere.